there, it's Manal from Minis Craft Boutique. Thanks for watching my video today. Today I am going to reveal my design team kit for March, which I have received from Thoughtful Studio. And this one again is a very beautiful kit, as I have seen some of the few sneak peeks of this kit. So let me just untie this twine, and I am going to open and separate the papers and show you all of these one by one. So I have received partial kit this time again, and this is a pretty sturdy paper, and these are again the project life cards, and it says because I can, the wish list, things I love. Again, this is the project life sheet, be still my heart, oh this life, and two of the pattern sheets and a heavyweight cardstock. This one is feel the vibes and good vibrations, and over here some feel of spring, you can say, or the change of the season. Wow, this is lovely. This one's going to make a great um, front for a pocket card or a note card. Again, some notes, so you can use these for journaling as well. They'll make great journaling cards as well. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 patterns and vibes. So over here it's the meaning of vibes written, which is a noun, and vibes are good or bad atmosphere that you sense with a person or in a place. So that's pretty true. Okay, so this was my kit for the month of March, and I hope that you have liked its reveal. I'm sure that you're going to purchase this kit, whole of the kit or the complete kit. You can view on their website. I'm going to paste the link in the description box below, so you can head on to the website and you can see what designs they have for you in store, and you can purchase them. You can digitally download them, or if you want a printed copy, they can also do that. So hop onto the website and get your papers today, because they are so beautiful, so beautiful, you cannot resist working with them. So as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my tutorials coming in the next days. So I hope to speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.